Hey everyone, and welcome. Have you ever just stopped and wondered, what makes you, you? Well, today, we're about to start an exciting journey to discover your own unique strengths and become the absolute best version of yourself. You ready? Let's get started.
What we're looking at here is this awesome 8-week adventure, and it's designed just for kids and teens. The whole idea is to explore your unique talents, build on your strengths, and really to unlock all that incredible potential that you already have inside you.
So, I guess that brings us to the big question. Are you ready to discover your superpowers? Because trust me, we all have them, and this journey is all about helping you find yours.
Okay, first up, welcome to your adventure. Let's talk about exactly who this journey is for.
The best part is the requirements are super simple. If you're a student, anywhere between 8 and 16 years old, and you're just ready to grow, then you're in. You don't need any experience. All you need is a willingness to try new things. That's literally all it takes.
All right, next up, let's look at what you'll actually discover and the amazing skills you're going to build along the way.
First off, you're going to build real confidence. Now, this isn't about being loud or boastful. It's about developing this quiet, strong belief in yourself. We like to call it calm courage.
Next, you'll find your voice. And what does that mean? Well, it means learning the basics of great communication. You know, how to speak clearly, how to really listen to what other people are saying, and even how to ask great questions. These are skills you'll use every single day, at school and at home.
You'll also learn how to grow a positive mindset. It's really about understanding the power of optimism and making gratitude a daily habit. This is what helps you bounce back from challenges and see the good in pretty much any situation.
So on this journey, you're going to learn to pinpoint what makes you special, to set goals that are simple but really effective, and to get a handle on your time and schoolwork. Plus, you get way better at understanding your emotions, practicing discipline, and knowing how to communicate safely and respectfully online.
So how does this all come together? Let's take a look at your 8-week action plan. Think of it as the map for your journey.
The whole program is structured over 8 weeks. We introduce a new topic each week, which makes it a really manageable and exciting journey. It's designed so you won't ever feel overwhelmed.
The whole thing kicks off in week 1 with discovering you. This is where you really start to uncover what makes you unique and, yeah, those hidden superpowers we were just talking about.
Then if we jump ahead to week 4, you'll be focused on goal setting. You're going to learn this amazing idea to dream big but start small. It's a really powerful skill that makes any goal feel totally achievable.
And by week 7, you're diving into some deeper topics like emotional intelligence. This is all about learning to understand your own feelings and developing empathy for others, which is a true superpower for life.
Of course, every great explorer needs a toolkit. So let's check out the gear you'll be using on this adventure. The core idea here is action first. This is so important. This is not about just sitting there and listening. Every single lesson has simple, real-world activities so you can put your new skills into practice right away.
So your toolkit is packed with engaging video lessons, simple weekly activities, and even some fun quizzes. You'll also get your very own personal growth journal to track all the amazing progress you're making along the way.
And finally, the treasure you'll find at the end of all this, becoming your best self. A key idea that really guides this whole course is this phrase: dream big, start small. It's such a great reminder that every huge achievement starts with just one tiny step. And as a reward for all your hard work, you'll earn a certificate at the end of the 8 weeks to celebrate your growth and the successful completion of your journey.
But honestly, the real prize isn't just a piece of paper. It's the person you become. You'll walk away from this whole experience feeling kinder, more confident, more responsible, and just more self-aware.
Which brings us to one final question for you to think about. With all these new skills and all this newfound confidence, what amazing thing will you build first?